Okay, hunters, I have some news. The news is, I think that I might get a snowstorm during nighttime because it snowed lately and my window was frozen ice cold. And look at that! What the fuck was that? Okay, let's get the fuck out of here. Okay, so as I was saying, we made it back to our room. Yes, as I tell, my window is ice cold, and there might be a chance that my power will go out, like a power outage, or some kind of blizzard. Because you already know me, I live, I don't know, probably a mountain. Well, God, I'm cold. I'm just gonna get in the blankets now.